playing with some cats right now. Yeah. We are at an animal sanctuary. It's called Soy Dog, and yeah. So I'll see you guys when we go to the dogs. Okay, so we're at the dogs right now. I'm not talking to them. So we're at the dogs right now. We have dogs right here. And so yeah, we'll just have the time around here, and then I'll see you guys when we get to this upside down house in the maze. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Didn't get to go to the what's the thing? We didn't get to record the maze and the upside down house, but we are here at a bird thing, and then like there's this owl staring right at me. That's creepy. Okay, I'm just gonna leave him in peace. That was creepy. Anyway, here's some more birds over here. Toucan.
Yeah, you might come over.
This owl was staring right at me. Look at that dude.
It's hopping, look. Woo! Wait, boing, boing, boingy, boing.
It looks so weird when it hops.
Boingy, boing. Hello.
Oh, what's over here? Oh, so is that an eagle? Is that an eagle?
What? I don't know, you'll have to read the sign.
Oh yeah. Hello. There's birds everywhere. There's flamingos over there. I got a new Santa Cruz hat. There's flamingos over there. Look. And they're fake.
Hello.
Hi. Look at these. Look at these dude. Look at this dude. They're everywhere. Whoa. Bird we're looking at. Come on, buddy. He doesn't want to talk. But enough of birds and stuff. We're going to see crocodiles. Whoa! Crocodile Dundee. That was just weird. Yeah, but we're going to see crocodiles. Oh, look at this thing. Look at this. I'm about to get a coconut right now.
Hey, darling, would you like a strawberry or a watermelon drink?
You think that's big, but when you look at that, it's even bigger. Is it real? These ones were fake, but these are real. There they are. Don't drop the iPod. Oh, there's one in the water.
Can you see them in the water?
There's a crocodile on the loose. Look at all of these crocodiles.
Now Mr. Whitley is preparing for the first part of the show, and in a few seconds he will put his right hand into a crocodile mouth. Успевает мистер Итан. Дернулся крокодил, но поздно было. Ручка была уже далеко. Практически. Ну что ж, давайте поаплодируем мистеру Лидеру. 3 раза были шансы, но рука в целостности и сохранности. We applaud Mr. Leader. Everything is okay. 3 times, but everything is okay. And we are keep going. Ну, а мы будем потихонечку продолжать. Крокодил, с одной стороны, опасен, но и полезен тоже. Дело в том, что этих хищников разводят искусственно и делается это не просто так.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more videos that are coming soon. Make sure you turn on post notifications to get every video that I upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.